Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how you can sell digital products on Shopify. So without any time wasting, let's dive right into it.
Okay, so today we're going to be talking all about building your Shopify store. And at the time of recording this training, Shopify are actually doing an amazing free trial of 3 months as well as £1 a month on selected plans. This is absolutely amazing and actually the best time to tap into this deal. Now, there's going to be a link below this video where you can actually click to grab this amazing offer, okay? So the first thing you want to do is you want to sign up for a free trial, and all you want to do is just type your email here. And what we're going to be doing is just creating like a dummy store together, okay? So just type your email address and then just select start free trial. Okay, and then in the next section, it's going to ask you which of those options best describes you. So as a beginner, you would just go with I'm just getting started, okay? And then just do next. And then it's going to ask you all these other questions around where you would like to sell, if you just want to sell on social media and things of that nature. But I always recommend that you go with an online store because we are trying to create a website, okay? And then do you want to sell products through drop shipping? So drop shipping is a way of selling products with no inventory. I always just go with yes because a majority of our stores are print on demand drop shipping stores. Now it really shouldn't matter at this point. If you're not sure, you can just put I'm not sure, or you can just skip the step. It shouldn't really change much, okay? Do you have an audience or a following? So if you are like a completely newbie, then you probably don't have a large audience just yet. So we can just go with the no option. But if you already have like a huge social media platform, then you can always go with yes. Now, those questions do not affect anything on your website, okay? But it's just a great way to kind of, for Shopify to give you some recommendations based on your current situation, okay? And then here is where we're going to be calling our website. So this is where you want to put your business name. I'm just going to put something like Coffee Envy. Or if you haven't decided on a name yet, that's okay. You can always change that later as well. You're going to select your country. So if you are in the United States, you can put USA. If you are in the UK, you can put UK or whatever part of the world you're based in. I'll just leave it as UK because I am in the United Kingdom. And then it's going to ask you obviously to create, an account so you can start your free trial. So you have different options here. You can either continue with email, Apple, Facebook, Google. I'll just go with Google because I already have a few Google accounts. Okay, so once you've selected your account that you want to register with, it should start building your store. It's really, really straightforward and very easy to set up, and it just takes like a few seconds. So
Okay. So in order to start selling ebooks on your Shopify store, I'm just going to show you guys an example of how that is likely to work. So in order to do that, you want to go to your Shopify dashboard, go to your products, and then you just want to add a new product. So go to your Shopify store, go to products, and then add a new product. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do here is you want to give your book a title. So this is obviously going to be the title of your ebook or whatever digital product you are trying to sell. Now, what I would recommend is that you put keywords here that, think about what people will be searching for if they need your book, right? What solution does your book solve? Is your book helping people get rid of, stress, anxiety? Is it helping people generate income online? Is it helping people with digital marketing? Start thinking about what type of keywords people could be searching for on the internet if they were looking for your book, okay? So in this case, I want to list my book, 9 Keys to Passive Wealth. Okay, I'm gonna go on there and type in my book title, first of all, 9 Keys to Passive Wealth, right? And then in my subtitle, I'm going to put, so if somebody came on the internet searching for the best ways to make passive income, right? There's a higher chance that they'll probably find my book because I'm using those keywords in my listings, right? And then one thing I like to do is I like to copy that and add that same title to the description, right? And then in the description section now, you want to start again using those keywords in your descriptions because this is how your content will be found on the internet, okay? Amazing. And another thing, if you're using Shopify, guys, is if you go to the bottom of that page, you can see where it says search engine listing right here. Now, what I can do here is I can just edit that. So this is what is going to come up on Google, right? I can actually go on here and just do something like best ways to make passive income online from home or something of that sort, right? So when people come on the internet, they're not going to be typing 9 keys to passive wealth because they don't know about the book just yet, right? So these are the keywords they will be searching for on the internet. And this is what we want to appear on the search engine. Make sense? And then of course, a meta description, you can come on here and change that. You can shorten it. You can, I just like to come on here and just shorten it to the first. Let's just go there. the first few sentences that actually touch base on, ways to make passive income online. Okay. And then let's go and see what else we have to add here. So the media section is where you're going to be adding the image. So this is where your ebook cover is going to be uploaded. Uploaded it over here, as you can see. So that's the cover, okay? And then the pricing, I'm just going to remove that. We're not charging taxes here. I'm just going to change the price there to, let's just do $9, okay? That's the ebook price. So let's go down. What else do we have? Track quantity. I'll just remove that because it will start asking you for SKUs and things of that nature. And just click on save. Awesome. So now we have the product created, but what we don't have is the actual file. So that's the PDF. So what we need to do is we need to connect that PDF file to this actual book right here. Okay. So to do that on Shopify, there's actually an app. If you go to the apps here, all right, it's called Big Digital Download. So products or something of that sort, and do a search, and that's going to take you to the Shopify App Store. Okay, as you can see right here, there's a ton of different digital product software that you can use. Cable digital products, easy digital products. Some of them are free, some of them are premium, some of them are free, but they have restrictions with regards to how many products you can add onto your website. So what you can do now is you can go on here and click on create my first digital product. And then what you can now do here is you need to connect the product that you just created on Shopify basically to this platform right here. So if you just click on change, and then search for 9 keys to passive wealth. So that's the product that we just created. So if we just go on here, okay, and just add, okay. So now we have the product added, but what we need to do now is we need to connect it to the actual PDF file, right? So customers will gain access to the digital files. Digital products consist of digital files. So just leave everything as digital file. And then limit download in time, I'll just leave that as it is. Limit download per order, I'll just leave it as it is, because in case people are having difficulties downloading their products, you don't want them to come and then they're unable to download their ebooks again. So I'll just leave them as they are. And then this is a section where you're going to be uploading your PDF file. Okay, the keyword here is a PDF. So whatever digital product you're selling, make sure that you're listing it as a PDF file. Okay, so I'm just going to go find a copy of the book, and I'm just going to go on and actually upload it there. So let me just go upload it there. So this is the PDF version, not the ebook cover, because we already have the ebook here, ebook cover here. So now we have that uploaded. What I'm going to do now is I will leave that as please send an email to customers, of course, and I'm just going to save, okay? And then you can see the checkout here. It tells you what the customer is likely to see after they've purchased your product. Thank you for purchasing from our store. You can download your ebook here. So that's what your customer is going to see once they've purchased their product. So pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. And you can actually go to your online store and, see what the product looks like. Do that on the website. As you can see, we now have that book uploaded to the website. And of course, it's showing £8, which is basically my currency right now, because I am in the United Kingdom. But for those in the United States, they will say $9. Okay, so this is the ebook pretty much, up and ready to go, ready to start collecting payments. Every time somebody buys this book, and automatically download a copy and access it instantly. And you can do this with as many books as possible. Okay, and if you wanted to go and make changes to books or products that are already on your website, you can just go to the product section, and then you would see the ebooks here. Okay, whatever product it is, you can go to the ebook section, and then you can make changes. If you wanted to change the price, you can go on and change the prices here. If you wanted to maybe change it to, I don't know, $17, you can change that to $17.